Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you my fall home tour for 2024. Now this is a special video and I think I say that for every video of mine, and to be honest, I really feel that all my videos are special. I am so grateful and so appreciative of everything, that I do not take anything for granted. So I love all the videos that I put out. Now today's video is extra special because I am collaborating with my sweet dear friend Adriana from Adri's Home and More, you guys, and I'm so happy because finally I've been wanting to do this for the longest time. We've been following each other for some time now, and I absolutely love her. And we actually met this summer in New York, which was amazing, you guys. I was so happy that we could make that possible. Now she is just the sweetest and she is just so bubbly. She is always happy, and once you see her you cannot help but feel happy. And when you see her decor as well, she just recently moved into a new home and she loves decorating for the different seasons. Now if you are into that content, then you will definitely love her because she decorates for all the seasons, whether it is Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, 4th of July, Christmas or fall, all of the above and even more. Now, after you're done watching this video, make sure you go over to her channel and watch her video. I will link her video also in my description box below, so that's easier for you to find. And make sure that you say hi and that I sent you. Now, if you're coming over from Adri's channel, hi, my name is Arelis. And here I like to do everything home decor related on a thrift budget. I love thrifting. So my home is accumulated by thrifted items. And you guys, that is, I think, the best way to do it on a budget. I also do some occasional DIYs and hauls, but mostly decorating. So if you are in for that type of content, then I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and stick around and be a resident of my happy home. Now for this video, I'm going to show you all the different spaces that I decorated for fall. And in particular my kitchen, because that is the only space that I didn't share a decorate with me video on. I did a pre-fall decorate with me video, but I didn't do the actual fall video. So I hope that you will stick around and see that. We were gonna do the living room, we're gonna do the dining area, and of course also upstairs my bathroom and my bedroom. Now I'm not gonna make this too long, so let's just dive in. And again, make sure that when you're done watching this video, you go over to Adri's channel and watch her video. Now grab yourself a drink, sit back, relax, and enjoy this fall home tour. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Before we actually start this home tour, I want to share with you how I cozy up for this cozy season, you guys. They do not call it the pumpkin spice season for nothing, so everything has to be pumpkin spice, also my coffee. So I am refilling this pumpkin container with my seasonal coffee, and then I'm gonna be making a nice pumpkin spice coffee to cozy up on the couch and watch some videos.
Stand by the fire, your tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, in this moment, forever be in this moment, in this moment, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song.
Another thing I love about this season is the fall scent. I love the pumpkin spice, I love cinnamon, and I recently picked up this mulled wine wax melt. Now this brings me all the fall vibes when I'm just on my couch enjoying the evening. And I like to use wax melts because they do not only give off a nice scent, but they also look very nice with the tea light on. So I love to have one going on here in the kitchen. And I also got this pumpkin spice air freshener by Airwick that I am adding also to my kitchen because I walk past my kitchen all the time, so I can enjoy the scent.
Brushes on. Oh, it won't be long. Fading now into a memory. A picture on the wall. A moment frozen not to fall. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, in this moment, in this moment, forever be.
I do not have to tell you how good these Bath and Body Works candles smell, you guys. I have this pumpkin pecan waffle that smells so good even when it is not lit. Now, since the kitchen is the heart of the home, I have most of the coziness going on around here, but I also have scented candles and wax melts going on in the rest of my home that you will see shortly. So we're on the topic of bringing in the fall scent, and I like to do that with just about anything: candles, mist diffusers, reed diffusers, automatic sprays, room sprays, and all of the above. Now, I recently discovered these wooden essential oil diffusers. You just drip a few drops of essential oil in them and then place them very discreetly somewhere in your home, and every few days I do add more drops to it, and the wood would soak up all the essential oil, giving off a very nice scent throughout your home. And I really love these because, like I said, you can discreetly put them around your home without them being really too obvious. So now you know how I bring in all the cozy fall scent into my home, and with that in mind, we're gonna start this home tour, and you just imagine all this cozy fall scent surrounding you. I hope that you will enjoy this tour.
I've been warned about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too. 'Cause there's something about you, and you know it too. All I do is think about you. Your eyes, your scent, your touch is all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. Some obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse, and I'm stopping till it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We all I do is obsess about you. But if only you could see that we are meant to be. Talk for hours, but now we don't do that anymore. We used to share our thoughts and dreams, but that was such a long time ago. Maybe we've grown apart, maybe we weren't meant to be right from the start. But I remember those days with joy in my heart. It's all that behind us now. Now all that I have left are memories of you and me. Maybe that is for the best, 'cause you're not the same as you used to be. And maybe we've grown apart, maybe we weren't meant to be right from the start. But I remember those days with joy in my heart. It's all that behind us now. Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you bad, and I read your letters and look at your pictures. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Darling, I can't wait till I see your face. Oh God, I miss you everything I need is you beside me. Oh God, I miss you so bad. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your eyes, our love. Your heart, your eyes, our love. It's been so long, I know, but I'm finally coming home. Till then I'm dreaming of your heart, your